Hey guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. My name is Fale, your one and only tech savvy. So today's video, I'm going to show you how you can actually add a loading effect to your website. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to support and show me some love by hitting the subscribe button, share this video, like this video, and do not forget to also turn on the notification bell so you'll be at alert whenever I drop a video on this channel. Okay, so before we get started, I want to believe you've watched my video on how to create a free WordPress website. If you haven't, you can see the video here, how to create a free WordPress website. No hosting of domain. Everything is actually free hosting and free domain. All right, and also you can also watch my videos on how to set up a simple e-commerce website where you can actually sell your products and your services. Now, one thing about WordPress is that it is actually easy to work with. You really don't need to crack your brain or try to figure things out. It comes so packed up and you get confused in the process. Okay, with the right knowledge and the right information, you are good to go with WordPress in setting up a simple website that is fast loading, catchy, responsive on every devices. So let me show you what I'm actually talking about. All right, so let's head over to our WordPress dashboard. So when you get to your dashboard, the first thing you're going to do is to head over to your plugins, come to plugins, and then click on add new. So we're actually going to add a new plugin at this point. So come to add new, and you're going to head over to the search bar, which is here, and then you're going to search for loading effects. So when you search for loading effects, you're going to see a lot of them. You're going to see a lot of plugins. So we're going to use a particular one. So you can see this one, page loading effect, but it has not been updated for the past 3 years. Okay, so what I would advise you is please search for the ones that are updated with your that are compatible with your current WordPress version. All right, so let's scroll down and see if we're going to see any other one. Okay, you can see one here, loading page with loading screen. Okay, so you see this one is actually compatible. So what we're going to do, just come here and install it. So once it has finished downloading, you're going to click on activate. So it's actually activating. You can see that it's loading here. Okay guys, so as you can see, it has finished loading. So what you need to do is you're going to scroll down and then you see enable loading screen. So just make sure it is ticked, and then display a close screen button. You can untick this as well. Then you see option to hide the loading screen in the window on load effect. Just leave it the way it is. Display the loading screen on. Where do you want this loading to be displayed? I want it to be displayed on all my screens. So either my phone, my tablet, my laptop. I want it to be displayed on all of them. All right, the next thing is display loading screen in all the pages. I want whenever anyone clicks on any pages on my website, I want that loading screen to be displayed all over them. Okay, now I'm going to scroll down. If you want to exclude any of the screen, you can just put it here using their IDs, maybe page ID and all of that. Then you scroll down and then select the loading screen. I want it to be you want to be your logo screen or a bar screen, whichever one of them. Then you can see here, say the free version of the plugin includes bar screen and logo screen. So if you want more, you can add from here. Now select the logo image or any other image. Now as you can see here, you can see various style. Should in case you don't want your logo screen, you want your bar screen. Now can you see now it's going to change here? So you select image for bar screen and then apply transparency, but I want to use a logo screen. Okay, and let's try one of the effects that are here. I want this one to be used, this particular one I want it to be used, and you see background color, apply transparency, select image as background color. I'm not going to add any of those effects. So once I'm done, apply the effect on page. Okay, I'm going to scroll down and then look for save button, update. So I'm updating this now. Once it's finished updating, I'm going to check our site to see. So come to our site and refresh. So you can see now, you see the loading effect, you see it now. So it's working. So that is how you add a loading effect to your website. So if you got value from this video, do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and also do not forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be at alert whenever I drop a video on this channel. See you.